Wait, this is going. Wait, which way goes then?
I don't know. That's a decapitated seagull. Or
pigeon.
pigeon, sorry.
Oh, I touched it. Oh.
Mung.
Wait, hang on. Oh. Hang on.
Look at his face.
It's pulling a smiley face. colon, close bracket face. Alright.
Oh, let's have a look at it quick again, Alex. Let's get the full picture.
Oh, no, I had a little bit of...
Oh, yeah.
I decapitated a pigeon.
It's a pigeon. Oh, do it again, Alex. Do that again.
Oh, look at inside it.
Oh!
Mine.
That was Alex screaming.